Hello everyone here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a smoke in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, now create a new composition. Full HD 10 seconds and okay. Go to layer, new solid and I'll call it smoke. Then hit OK. Okay. Now go to effects and presets and fractal noise. Drag and drop. Okay. Yes. Okay, first I'll go to brightness and I'll make it 2. Okay. Then I will open transform, unlike uniform scaling, and I increase scale width maybe 170. Yes, 170. And also scale height I will make it 250. Okay, now go to evolution and press alt and type time times 100. Okay, yes, this is our animation. Okay, also we need to offset turbulence, set a keyframe, then move this like okay. Also yes, now see. Okay, okay, complexity make it 20. Then press T and make opacity maybe 7, maybe 7. Yes, it's okay. This is our smoke now. Go to pen tool and I'll make a mask like this. Okay, now open mask. Okay, and mask further. Yes, yes, and this is our smoke. Okay, and this is our tutorial. If you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.